Good to see you.
Hi,
Happy New Year.
Good to see you, Ken. Happy New Year to you as well. I'm happy to be here. And yes, coming up this month, we have a program called Kiss Me, I'm Irish. Now, what are we doing? Celebrating
Yes, I wondered that
St.
too.
Patrick's Day. Well, I'm not quite sure, but I have a feeling it's because we were able to nab this fabulous group called the Young Dubliners, who were, I suspect, booked up for St. Patrick's Day.
Probably, yes.
So we thought we could grab them in January. But the Young Dubliners are a very unique band that they're a Celtic rock band is what they call themselves, where they combine traditional Irish instruments and Irish music with rock music. So it's a real treat having them. They're quite famous, and we're in for a great evening with this group. But we have kind of a double header going on this month because we also have something going on called Ladies' Choice.
Okay.
We had this last year, and basically it's kind of like a Sadie Hawkins event, you know, where the ladies invite the men to dance. But what we do instead when people show up for the event, if the men are willing to dance with whichever lady would ask them, we give them a green carnation boutonniere to wear.
Okay.
So that's how the ladies will know these men are fair game to come and ask to dance. And we have, it's an opportunity for men who have not been to the California Club before to try it out.
That'll be a lot of fun.
They're guaranteed a dance. So we are definitely looking forward to that.
So this is all kind of the one thing that's happening on the 28th, where you're having the music and the dance? Is that,
That's
am I right?
right.
Okay.
That's
so
right.
it's something a little different that you're doing.
It's something a little different. Now, you know our typical format where we're kind of like a nightclub.
Yes.
Format. 350 people show up typically, and it's an evening of fine dining, dancing, entertainment, and we have a separate dance band. That would be the Larry Fresh Experience that will be playing before and after the dinner and entertainment. And with that comes a lot of dance opportunities. And that's where the ladies get to go around dancing with strange men.
So I want to emphasize that even though this is January 28th, people can buy tickets now. And it's a little bit hard to put on the flyer, so I made it a little bit bigger. Now, this is for the Irish event, and then we'll talk about the Neil Diamond one, that reservations are needed by January 22nd.
That's right.
You have to plan for the food.
You have to plan for the food, and that's the reason.
Yeah.
And it is, as you know, with California Club, we have very fine dinners that we offer.
Yes, you do.
Last month, we had the Black and White Ball. It was a formal event. We had lobster. This month, with our Irish event, we have rack of lamb and a couple of other options, herb roasted chicken or cheese ravioli. What else do we have going on? Well, it's such a fun evening. The first hour you're there, it's kind of cocktail hour with a little bit of dancing. The dance band starts, and appetizers are served. Then we move into the lovely dinner. Then after that comes entertainment, the Young Dubliners. And after that, a little bit more dancing. So it's a great night.
And for the money, you're not going to find that anywhere nowadays.
You can't beat that. It's if you're a member, $28.
Yeah.
Non-member is $33. And it's, you know, we do really work at trying to make it that best night of the month.
That's going to be a lot of fun.
And it's not just for couples. A lot of people think this is only for couples. Why would singles go? It's not at all. We do have a large group of singles. And, you know, we have a lot of other groups that come, not as couples, but just, I know there's a tennis group that shows up, and there's a hiking group that shows up. People from certain neighborhoods bring their whole cul-de-sac to show up. So there's something for everyone.
A lot of fun. And again, that's January 28th at Clubhouse 5.
Yes.
And you ask for cocktail attire. Doors open at 5:15, and it really goes for quite a few hours. And again, please make your reservations by the 22nd. California Club of LagunaWoodsVillage.com is the website. Now, the other event, although it's not until April, you wanted to mention it, and this is a tribute band to Neil Diamond.
This is a tribute band to Neil Diamond. Now, California has never done anything like this before. It's a special event. It's not one of our once-a-month things. One-time deal. We'll be at the Performing Arts Center. This is a tribute to Neil Diamond. Now, there are many people that do Neil Diamond, kind of the pecking order of Neil Diamond performers, but we have the ultimate. We have the best. His name is Jay White, and you can see on our flyer here.
Is that him? I mean, he looks very much like him.
He looks like him. He has the same mannerisms as him. He sings like him. He might even sing better than Neil Diamond.
Yeah.
I hate to say. But he is a fabulous performer, and we are just so lucky to have him because he does not perform for many clubs.
Yeah.
So we're doing this as an extra bonus for our California Club people.
Now, anybody can go because it's at the Performing Arts Center.
Go. Yes.
And this is taking place on April 5th. You can buy tickets now, $25, $28, or $30. You have to buy that over at the PAC. And you wanted to mention this. I said, come back again with this to remind people.
Yes, yes.
Because the Performing Arts Center will be closing at the end of April for remodels.
That's right.
3 months
We're remodeling.
Or whatever it is.
Yes, for quite a while.
And so a lot of things are happening in April.
Yeah. But we're lucky to have an early spot on April 6th.
Yeah.
So it's a good way to start the month because you have lots of other good things going on that month as well.
All right. And again, the wonderful Irish event, that's happening not on St. Patrick's Day. It's happening on the 28th, and that looks just like a really wonderful time.
It will be fun. The ladies love it. Gentlemen, if you're out there listening, watching, do give California Club a try. We welcome new people.
And wear green.
Wear green.
All right. Pretend it's St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ken.
Always good to see you. Happy New Year again to you.
Happy New Year to you as well.
And we'll see you again, and we'll be right back.
Thanks, Ken.